Refinery's big brother. This is Publishers, and yeah, that's my fun build of a refinery. It actually has a purpose. Let's try this one. And then, I'm not sure, I think this is the one that doesn't work. Yeah, exactly. Let's put this one there. Alright, no problem. Wrong button. Oh. Yeah, of course, alright. That was one version before this build, where this button had a purpose. Okay, let's do the next size. I'm absolutely sure that some position is gonna work. Like that. Okay. So, the next stone slash rock size is not really suitable for it yet, but we can do it with a bigger one. Alright. Oh. Let's take this stone. Yeah, this will happen. Just look at it. Okay, maybe it's a little bit too offset. Has a straight, it has a weird angle. Okay. Let's try this again. There you go. Oh yeah. Okay, and let's feed the refinery. Okay, get rid of the holding mechanism. Oh, that's totally the wrong button. Totally wrong, yeah. That is exactly how you shouldn't do it. I'm not really sure why this is always happening when I'm recording. I mean, whenever I'm not recording, I'm doing perfect footage. But once I am recording, this crap is happening. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's pick it up again. Alright. Okay, get rid of the holding mechanism, make space for it. Push it upwards a little bit, yeah. And there you go. Alright. This is triggering the refinery already, which it shouldn't. Let's push it forward. Push it into the refinery. Oh yeah. There you go, kinda. Kinda. Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you totally go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. This is kinda how I was expecting this to work. And then you press this button. Yeah, which is too short, of course. But it's just a fun build, right? Isn't it? This is a fun build. And it is, I think. If you also like this fun build, leave a like. See you later.